Oh my freaking god. Oh my god. Guys, do you see this? You see Florida? Look, Florida is under a tornado watch right now. Tornado watch. These conditions are expected to last until 6 p.m. GMT5 on Tuesday, 9 January. Additional alert, wind advisory. Well, my god. This is the first ever time I've saw a tornado watch on my weather. I have never seen this ever. But if any of you subscribers are from Florida, comment below and stay safe, because you know one of you don't want to die and you don't want to stop watching my videos. So let's look at the alert. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Jesus. I wouldn't want to go to Florida like right now, but I can't anyway because I'm going on a vacation tomorrow anyway. Jesus. So if any of you are from Florida, please stay safe because I don't want you to die and get hit by the tornado. So yeah, stay safe everyone from Florida.